bounce back on the track. No one man, I'm in we economy. One beat till leak up the sink, our third degree. Your enemy, my enemy. Gave 5-6 to 402 with 559 ink. Agree to disagree, no more anonymity. Sitting back and thinking, holding on to where the dear life. Reflections on my mirrors, hoping I make it any turn right. It started from a Game Boy case, 25 to 50 cent squares. Both 20 daily, cause life was not fair. Pulling down weed from my job, flush it in the toilet in front of my mama's face. Elevated the painkillers from a cabinet drawer case. Then a car, my car, then 2 cars, 3 jobs, 1 strap with the notching for a clip. When we dip or switch shifts, slowly and nearly you there to push over that boulder. Young kicked out, and for my life on fine. 3 years past the present, I chose a different grind. Now I let the homies tell you how that life was like.
About to get this beat, call it murder if you wanna. Smoking all the time, certified for marijuana. I had to earn a couple dollars, situated as the dealer. I'm the real tiger, coming straight out from the hunger. Shout out to my nigga Toxic T for this beat. It's about the time we introduce that this is no time family. Go ahead and find this is originality. We're straight up from the north of California with the gun, the bodies. Tell the Lord forgive me if I go hard in the paint. I was meant to kill the game, so I ain't the one to be blamed. At a younger age, I was putting in work for my place. See me on the come up, all I ever do is paper chase. Got no time to waste because the clock is ticking for some more. From a jungle where you gotta hunt just for survival. Gotta hold the Zika lately, it's been feeling kinda cold. Trying to stack my money past the fucking ceiling, it's my goal. Throw these dollars bill, watch it sliding down the pole. Hit the bumper, got some questions, tell it I don't know. Is she really trying to fuck? Tell her keep it on the low. And if they haven't heard, let them know I'm from the know. Throw these dollars bill, watch it sliding down the pole. Hit the bumper, got some questions, tell her I don't know. Is she really trying to fuck? Tell her keep it on the low. And if they haven't heard, let them know I'm from the know.
California A, that's the place to be. Introduce my name, this be Toxic T. Tickets bugged like they hard, but they ain't trying to box me. Always talk, never walk, always hide behind the team. I've been wanting all these niggas ever since the age of 15. When I done become a man, I'll be killing machine. Not these game bangers bang on the streets. I'll be making bang on this beats. Hustling every day, running deliveries. All they do is get paid, invest. All these rappers getting signed into a new debt. Ready to get manipulated like who's next. That's why they be dissing all these rappers, cause we don't do that. Me and my crew, true facts, staying independent and move backs. Underground and let the boom back. We be but we don't do that. Bug Dougie in your new swag. Fuck around and catch a few stack. No town, yeah, we the true California A, that's the place to be. Holla at a ticket if you wanna cop some peas. California A, that's the place to be. Come funk with a ticket if you want some beef. California A, that's the place to be. Holla at a ticket if you wanna cop some peas. California A, that's the place to be. Come funk with a ticket if you want some beef.
Now where the real ones at? Heard a lot of rookies rap. All facts, no farce. Shut them down with an open jaw. Young dude in the business, I could call me big boss. Always say she dreams, guess you'll never wake up. A&D in the game, and you know that won't change. Been gone for a minute, why these rappers so silly? Look, back in the mountain, I dug a hole for your soul. Tell the devil West Coast, it's A&D the West Coast. This a cypher type of shit, got you in your fucking feelings. All these people keep a yakking, tell it how it is. When I came to this game, never thought I'd get this dick sucked. A young brother from the West Coast, before the ghosts unload, the clothes unfolds, and here I go. The flow so damn original. Look, the old that costs are down the falls. The golden wall has my name written on it, y'all. Me and my goons painted perfect pictures, so come kick it with a real MC. Me and my goons painted perfect pictures, so come kick it with a real MC. Me and my goons, we painted perfect pictures, so come kick it with a real MC. Me and my goons, we painted perfect pictures, so come kick it with a real MC. I came from the gutter trying to get it out the mud. I rummaged through the clutter, now surviving all the floods. Wildin' in the west from the double 5'9". I'm standing 5'9", but I sorta lost my mind. Would you help me find mine? Cause I'm losing all my patience while I'm trying to earn this paid. Money's what I'm chasing, so I'm out here pushing weight. Pick it up, drop it off, trying to put myself through college. I'm thinking long term, so I invested in my knowledge. All these bitches always change, I'm never thinking with my dick. Throw her body straight banging, I would never give it up just to fuck another trick. All these snakes got me crazy, got my demons creeping lately. But I won't let it face me, I will let them think they play me. When my mind is thinking dollars, I would do it on my own. I'm grinding for a reason, on my name poetic tone. Another young, hungry hustler coming straight up from the nose. I'm a good goon, but I'm down to spaz out. My brothers good dudes, but they lay it flat out. My mind's on a mission, mission, steady grinding for progression. So I'm in my own lane, never coming back now. I'm a good goon, but I'm down to spaz out. My brothers good dudes, but they lay it flat out. My mind's on a mission, steady grinding for progression. So I'm in my own lane, never coming back now.
Come with me, Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see what you have here now. Wanna ride or die? La 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 la. Get off that E, before you try to come and fuck with me. It's at the path even there. Got it locked. La 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 la.
I'm the man with the master plan. So how many bust dust must get ripped? Down to bust a lick for the loot and a couple of grands I got fixed. Get sick with it, I ain't new to it. Did it back in 96, whipping the Caprice coupe, getting lit with it. Ex-felons on the loose, with nothing to lose. Smoking by the pounds and we drinking on the booze, never faded. Just triple X rated, pulling flow with bitches like a Mac made it. You can see it in my eyes, never lie to earth straps. Talk about the game, I'm about it, about that life. A savage, name of lavish. Smash into your traps, VIP like the baddest. Get your money right like a cart full of cabbage. Must have caught this fade, but these haters be the mad.
Come with me, Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see what you have here now. Wanna ride or die? La 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 la.
You can see it in my eyes. I ain't never lied, I got my mind made up. I ain't afraid to die. I ain't afraid